Greetings YouTube. Today we are cutting these clean and beautiful cucumbers into a cucumber spaghetti or noodle shape. I'm using this spaghetti cutter. I have extra two. I'm using them for my future upload. So we are going to cut these clean cucumbers first. And I bought this machine about 3 to 4 years ago. I have not used them for a while, so I'm going to show you how I cut these cucumbers, and I'll be making them into a healthy salad. So first, cut the long cucumber in half, place them here, and also the seeds will be gone. So tight, and I improvise this machine so I don't have to hold the handle as I spin or as I cut the cucumbers. So here we go. Look at that. The rubber band's clean, by the way. Easy, huh? And as you can see, look at the seeds. The machine removes the seeds by itself. And I'm using these noodles or cucumber noodles for my salad recipe. There you go. And cut. Look at that. We'll do the second one. The leftover. Up into my mouth. There you go. Yay. Look at that. I forgot how much I paid for this machine. It has a little bit of leftover, so you can just eat it. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. The seeds are out. Look, beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll upload my healthy salad. Look at that. Yummy.